If you're over 55 years old, pay close attention. Do you feel exhausted after eating, even when you think you are eating healthy? Do you wake up tired after a full night of sleep? Are you struggling with belly fat that refuses to disappear? Maybe you notice blurry vision sometimes, increased thirst, or frequent trips to the bathroom. These signs are often ignored because people think they are just a normal part of getting older. But your body may be sending you an important message. Your pancreas, the small organ responsible for helping control your blood sugar, may be under stress. And the good news is this. There are simple daily habits that can help support your metabolism and protect your health as you age. Stay with me, because in this video, I will share 3 important changes that many people over 55 should know about. The truth about type 2 diabetes. Most people believe type 2 diabetes is only a problem with sugar in the blood. But blood sugar is only the symptom. The deeper issue often involves the way your body responds to insulin. Inside your pancreas are special cells called beta cells. Their job is to produce insulin, the hormone that helps move glucose from your blood into your cells where it can be used as energy. But after years of modern eating habits, frequent snacks, sugary drinks, and constant insulin demands, these cells can become overworked. Imagine asking the same worker to do double the job every single day for decades. Eventually, that worker becomes tired. The same thing can happen inside your body. Your cells may become less sensitive to insulin. Your pancreas has to work harder, and your blood sugar becomes more difficult to control. Why this matters more after 55. After the age of 55, many people notice changes. Less energy, more belly fat, slower metabolism, harder time losing weight, higher blood sugar readings. Many people think, that's just aging. But aging does not mean you have to accept feeling tired and unhealthy. Your body still responds to the choices you make every day. The question is, are your daily habits giving your pancreas a chance to rest? The first change, stop constant blood sugar spikes. The biggest problem is not always the occasional dessert. The bigger issue is the constant stimulation your pancreas receives throughout the day. Think about a typical day. You wake up and drink sweet coffee, then breakfast, then maybe a snack, then lunch, then another snack in the afternoon, then dinner, then something sweet while watching television. Your pancreas receives signals again and again. Your body rarely gets a chance to lower insulin levels. A simple change. Create more space between meals. Instead of eating all day long, focus on balanced meals and avoid unnecessary snacking. Give your body several hours between meals to reset. This does not mean starving yourself. It means allowing your metabolism to rest. The second change, protect your morning and evening. Many people over 55 make the same mistake. They wake up and immediately eat something sweet. But your body naturally changes throughout the day. In the morning, hormones like cortisol help your body wake up. Your blood sugar can naturally rise during this time. For some people, eating a large carbohydrate-heavy breakfast immediately can make blood sugar control more difficult. A better approach. Start your morning with water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee if appropriate for you. Then choose a balanced first meal containing protein, healthy fats, and fiber. The evening is also important. Eating large meals very late at night can make it harder for your body to manage glucose. Try finishing your last meal a few hours before sleep. Your body needs nighttime to repair and recover. The third change, use your muscles after meals. Here is something simple that many people underestimate. Walking. After you eat, your muscles can help remove glucose from your bloodstream. You do not need an intense workout. A simple 10 to 15-minute walk after a meal can make a difference. For people over 55, walking is one of the safest and most effective forms of movement. It supports better circulation, better insulin sensitivity, better energy, stronger muscles. Remember, your muscles are not only for strength. They are also an important part of your blood sugar system. Important reminder, if you take diabetes medication, do not stop it without speaking with your doctor. Lifestyle changes can support your health, but medication decisions should always be made with medical supervision. The goal is not to fight your body. The goal is to support it. Final message. If you're over 55, your health is not determined only by your age. Your daily habits still matter. Your pancreas needs support. Your metabolism can respond to positive changes. Start small. Reduce unnecessary snacking. Protect your morning and evening routine. Take a short walk after meals. Small actions repeated every day can create powerful results over time. If someone you love is over 55 and struggling with energy, weight, or blood sugar issues, share this video with them.